ExpressVPN versus NordVPN, two giants in the VPN world. But in 2025, should you choose speed or security? ExpressVPN is all about simplicity and speed. With their custom lightweight protocol, you get fast, stable connections across devices, perfect for streaming, gaming, or working on public Wi-Fi. The app is sleek, easy to use, and consistent. You won't find tons of advanced settings, but that's the point. It just works. NordVPN leans heavier on security and features. You get double VPN routing, threat protection, dark web monitoring, and MeshNet, which lets you create private tunnels between your own devices. It's powerful, customizable, and packed with extras. The speed is solid too, thanks to their NordLynx protocol. Here's the trade-off. ExpressVPN is faster out of the box and easier to use. NordVPN offers deeper protection and more tools if you're willing to tweak settings. So which one wins in 2025? If speed, streaming, and simplicity matter most, go with ExpressVPN. But if you want max security and don't mind a more complex interface, NordVPN gives you more for your money.